Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts in Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. When selling on Facebook Marketplace, you have to be aware of the proper ways to keep your selling on the platform efficient. As a seller, your goal is to sell your items as soon as possible. You must spend time preparing for the photos and the details of every product listing that you will showcase on the marketplace. First, shoot high-quality photos. Prepare the area where you want to shoot photos. Outdoor scenery can be a good background for your photos since you are using the sun's lighting. Indoor shooting should have a good plain background and good lighting. You might need a portable folding light box or a ring light to give your product a good lighting. Never choose a background with clutters. It won't highlight your buyer's focus on the product since there are other items that they see in the background. So remove those other clutters to shift the buyer's focus on the product. Next, take actual photos of your product. Use your own photo when uploading your product listings. You might find photos similar to your product on Google, but it is best to use your own product's actual photo. Don't grab photos from other sellers. Avoid using photos that you find online, even if it's similar to your product. This can disappoint your buyers since they want to view your actual product. Your buyers are more likely to ask for the actual photo of your product. Next, prepare multiple photos. Your buyers are more likely to ask for different angles of the product. They want to see every detail of the product that you are selling. They want to see for themselves if the condition is really good as described. Don't upload a single photo of your product. Take time in shooting multiple angles of your product. You can expect your buyers to request more photos of your product, and this will help them decide if they will purchase your products. Responding to inquiries. When a potential buyer asks about a product that you are selling, make sure to respond right away. You need to be online and be on the lookout for messages from buyers about your product listings. You need to be prompt in responding to their inquiries before they lose interest. Never let your potential buyers wait 4 hours before you respond. Buyers have a short span of waiting for the seller's responses. Some of the buyers will change their minds if it took hours before you respond to their questions. They might find a seller who replies to their inquiries right away and purchase their products instead of yours. Next, be polite and friendly. Greet everyone who sends you a message regarding your product and respond courteously. Be patient when they keep on asking questions. Answer them directly and clearly. Use complete sentences to show that you are dealing with business transactions professionally. Don't be rude. Most buyers might ignore the description of your products. They might ask questions that are already posted in your product's description. Avoid responding that it is already in the description. Next, be clear about the product's price. If you don't want to sell your products lower than your asking price, then you can set the price of the product as firm and negotiable. If you notice that most buyers' inquiries are always asking for a lower price, then you can set your price a few dollars higher than your asking price. This allows your potential buyers to negotiate your price and seem that you have given them a great deal with a discount. Don't set the price different from your asking price. If you're selling the item for $10, don't post the price as $1 just to attract more people into inquiring about your product. Next, craft a short and detailed product description. Include the important details of your product such as the brand, model number, color, size, and dimensions of the product. Expect your buyers to ask for the measurement of your product, so it is best to be prepared and include it in the description. Also, include any issues with your product. If the box is torn, there are minimal scratches on the product, or parts are missing, then you can include that in the description. That way, your buyers can expect the issues when they receive the product. Don't write a long paragraph. Some buyers won't take the time to read the whole description of your product listing, especially if it's long. Also, avoid hiding the issues of your product. It will give your commerce profile a bad rating. Now that you know about the do's and don'ts in Facebook Marketplace, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to attract more people to buy from you. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.